You've known us as Stein Automotive for nearly a generation. Welcome to the next generation in import and luxury automotive service. Welcome to Springdale Automotive Centers. We're the familiar faces you're used to seeing. We are now a part of the Springdale Automotive family. We are still providing excellent customer care, affordability, and the technical expertise you are accustomed to receiving from Stein Automotive. Now we're getting better. Better with 4 convenient locations. Better with expanded high-tech service and technologies. Better as the next generation embraces the highest standards and quality import and domestic services. Whatever you drive, we service. Whether you need specialty tires, engine service and performance, electrical, exhaust, transmission, AC, and ongoing maintenance, you can trust our import and domestic repairs. Everyone knows us for our import specialties, BMW, Mini Cooper, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche. But our import services include so much more. Springdale Automotive can service any European or domestic vehicle you drive. Our top priority is keeping you and your car safely on the road. Download our new app from our website for the latest specials. From one generation to the next, we are proud to call you not only customers, but family. Welcome to the next generation. Welcome to Springdale Automotive, locally owned, professionally operated.